So what I've done is I've removed these two angle irons from under here where the drawbar will go, and now I'm slowly starting to remove these studs. It's a little job I do. I replace them with bolts. So I have some bolts there, I think they're engine bolts, and I have some Imperial spring washers. So what I'm doing here is I'm screwing on one of the nuts, and I'm putting the other nut against it, and I'm going to tighten the one inside against the outside one, and it's hopefully going to start removing the studs. I got one out so far, two out so far. I haven't tried him yet, and I'm going to replace them with some nice bolts. I'm going to clean these all up. They're a tidier job, and some lads were using punches on them to tighten them or loosen them over the years, and treads were exposed. They got a little bit worn and looking, so I prefer just to have one set of treads, and those treads to be in there where you can put a shot of grease or oil in and seal them up, and they won't get rusty. So that's what I'm at the moment. So I've managed to get 1, 2, 3 of the studs out. I'm just going to give this last one, yeah, this one's coming as well. So I'm lucky.